Hi team, good morning. Hi Swapna, Vasu, Vinay. It's for Power Platform. Today we have our two sessions parallelly. One is data engineering. This one will be the Power Platform, guys. Okay. We will start session in couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone have questions related to your career or something, you can ask me.
Call is going to upload in the YouTube.
In that case, who will pay me, Vinay? I need to survive, right? So only first 5 classes actually it will be in YouTube, and after that it will be the paid sessions.
No, that's okay. Okay, later also this free class is going to be uploaded into YouTube.
It's already going live now, this session.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
first
the paid
file.
class is not going to be YouTube, right?
Sorry?
Not at all. The paid classes will won't go to YouTube, right?
Uh, If it's going to YouTube, no one will pay me, right, Vinay?
No. After everything is over, maybe after 6 months or after 1 year.
After 10 years also, I can't upload.
Okay.
Uh, Only some important topics, example, like any update schemes, right? Some all updates, maybe we can't teach in the class. If example, after this course, your course, maybe any small update came to the picture. So
Mhm.
we will cover to the new batch people. So even we can't miss you the old students also, right? Those kinds of concepts, we will try to make it as a YouTube video and sometimes interview questions. Those and all we will provide at a free of cost. But
Uh,
regular course complete content will be only in our website and application. It will be DRM secured. So you can't even people can't share with someone else or something. It will be within the app. We have
okay.
both LMS system in a laptop and application for mobile, Android and iOS, both we have. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Meanwhile,
Hi, this is Karthik. It is Magesh or Indrajit?
second,
Hello.
Karthik, 1 second.
Okay.
It's done. You can ask me. You can ask me.
Yeah. Hi, Karthik. Hi, this is Karthik. I'm an old student of KSR. I learned early Power BI. Currently, I'm working as a Power BI developer, experienced Power BI developer
Mhm.
in TCS. I did several projects in the same Power BI.
Great.
But recent days, I got some requirement in my project to automate and related Power Apps.
Yeah.
With the help of SMEs, we developed our requirement and completed. But
Yes.
I observed there are less power automate resources in our project
Yes.
and
That's true, Karthik.
around the organization also, and
Yeah.
they required part. And also I searched in LinkedIn also.
Hmm.
Um, I seen more Power Platform developer as a title. Oh, I have a couple of questions. One is, can I skip Power BI classes because I'm the
Yeah.
experienced Power BI
Karthik,
developer?
yes, Karthik. You are not alone. Actually, now, as of now, 23 people there. Maybe it's a
Mm,
40 something. Out
mm,
of that, 10 people are similar like you. That's the reason
mm,
yesterday in our group also I made a post who are already working in Power BI and expecting Power Apps. It's
mm,
happening in the market. Like because of the less resource in Power Platform, they are
mm.
forcing Power BI developer to work on Power Platform.
Correct.
So that's the reason here also Power BI is not a major topic. It's hardly 10 days. 10, 15 days maybe Indra will cover. It's not a Power BI course. Power BI we have it is different in the evening time. So this is a Power Platform only. Power BI
Okay.
only up to the dashboard creation. DAX or else advanced charts not going to be covered in this curriculum.
Okay. Okay.
So even
And
those topics already you know and how he learned here and you are working from in a good company, right? So you can
mm,
skip required or else just casually you can check it how he was teaching and just
okay.
relate with the Power Apps and automate. So you can
Okay.
focus on Power BI is the very less percentage here. Power Apps
Yeah.
only the main topic. Power BI we are giving hardly the ratio around 10 to 15%. Rest completely focusing on Power Apps and Power Automate, Copilot Studio, and
Mm,
the integration spot with the multiple resources like a Dynamic 365 or SharePoint or with the Power BI.
mm, mm.
So the integrations part also we are going to be covered here.
Okay. Okay. A couple of
So now,
questions.
yeah,
Yeah.
ask me.
So due to this, we will discuss on call regarding some fee structure, and also what about the career for Power Platform developer, and what about the AI role in this products Power BI and Power
Mm,
Platform developer, because future is AI.
mm,
I seen in curriculum Power BI some AI Power BI.
mm,
It will
mm,
be addressed in this curriculum.
mm.
Uh,
So about future, you only saying like your company and your projects are expecting Power Apps and Power Automate.
mm-mm.
And itself, Power Automate itself and AI, we are automating a lot many things which is a regularly manual work, right? We are making automate. You are learning Power Platform in that sense. Most of the it's related with the AI only.
Mm, mm,
And with
mm,
the Copilot students, which I told, right? It is
mm.
AI only.
Yes,
We
yes.
will call earlier as a virtual agents. Now it's named as a Copilot Studio. So Power Platform itself, we can say it's an AI.
Okay. Yeah,
So
my project requirements, they asked some layman thought like if we give prompt as a simple prompt, it AI will create a dashboard for me. Like that they asked.
yes. That is a Copilot actually.
It is possible, with the
Yes.
prompt.
Basic reports. AI can't replace completely, Karthik. AI
Mm,
can make it a regular day-to-day work. It's a little bit easy. That's it.
mm,
AI
mm.
can't replace any employee completely.
Okay,
But
okay.
lot
Yeah.
many things it will make very easily. Simple example. So
Mm,
today I made while posting, like I sent one small poster, right? Usually our graphic designer used to do.
mm, mm,
But I given some prompt like because we have two sessions today. One is a
mm,
Power Platform parallel, another one is data engineering. I
mm,
said in the same thumbnail, same poster, I need a both names and both requirements exactly. Power Platform people what they will do and data engineer people what exactly they will do. So
mm,
same time 8 o'clock only. So it
mm, mm,
made just 5 minutes.
mm.
But
Okay.
again, if I need a very better manner with my
Mm.
logo and with the time zones and all, maybe again I have to go for my designer only. But it's
Okay.
reducing his work.
Okay. Okay. In Copilot, we'll cover our simple dashboard
Yes,
creation using. Okay.
yes.
Okay. And yeah, we'll go ahead with the classes.
Yes,
Continue, please. Thank
yes. So it can't replace completely the advanced charts, DAX queries and all. It may make easy. That's
you.
all. We can't replace. When it's make easy in the sense, obviously, they will try to reduce the FTE.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to become more efficient. When AI come to the picture in the sense, we will need to do our job more efficient. So you can see like people are losing their jobs or terminating in the sense, our my opinion, it's a completely mistake from the employee.
Mm-hmm.
They are not upgrading. They are not upskilling. They are stuck with the same zone. They are
Okay.
not learning new concepts.
Okay.
So there is a company who had a 10 lakh or 1 lakh people. Out of that, only 1,000 or 2,000 people are only getting layoff, right?
Yes. Yes.
Only those 1,000 people.
Yeah. Yeah. And
And
final
here
on
you can see,
question.
like in most of the cases, mostly we who had a more experience.
Yes. Yes.
Around a month or 2 months back, I saw like in a LinkedIn post about cruelty of Microsoft who are working for 16 years in Microsoft and they laid off or something. Most
Mm-hmm.
of the people had a bad opinion on Microsoft actually, right?
Yes. Yes.
But I have bad opinion the guy who got laid off.
Oh.
Why he was serving 16 years for the same company?
Yes.
Why
Yes.
he didn't get us updated?
Yes.
Is there our parent or else like it's our friend or something, Microsoft? We are
Mm.
working and they are paying us. That's it. There is
Yes.
no personal relation with the Microsoft. They
Okay.
paid for 16 years. You are not surviving. You are not upgraded. You are not updating with the new generation. You can see like your younger generation compared to us, even the small kids like who are just 2 years, 3 years also, they are better handling in the mobile.
Yes.
So one my kid is there, he don't know how to type. That's the reason he was using just voice prompt. Whatever
Yes.
he need, he will just by using voice prompt, he will get that channel.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they are becoming more advanced than our next generation. So we need to be competitive with them. Then only we can able to survive. Upgrading, updating, upskilling. These three only we can able to survive. Or else, our career will be gone.
Okay. One final question.
Yes.
This is no code logic curriculum, right?
Yes.
If suppose on self-interest we can learn some code, it will help to enhance further this
Yes. Yes.
curriculum Power Platform
After
development.
one
What are
level,
the
yes, after one level, you have to be learn the coding related concept, which is a tough. Like example, some cases they are expecting JavaScripts. If
uh-huh.
you know better compared to our Power Platform developer, other Power Platform developer, you will be in the better in the position. So you
O-
won't lose your job.
Okay, it is
Now it's in
JavaScript.
a demand. Honestly, I will tell you, Power Platform, because of the less you have manpower, it's in demand. But
Okay.
once manpower come to the picture, it will be
Mm.
in the danger only. Maybe after 4 years or 5 years,
Yes.
because it's
So,
a easy subject.
mm.
So around three, I forgot the date. Like we conducted one workshop in a Hyderabad event,
Mm.
Microsoft. So there
Mm.
one guy came to the give the class. His age is just 12 years or 13 years. He was a
Mm.
Power Platform expert. Came there for a workshop to
Mm.
give a lecture,
Mm.
not to learn.
Oh,
So he came to me and saying like, Mahesh, even same concept I'm also taking. I just shocked. His age is just maybe he was pursuing eighth or ninth standard. I
mm.
thought his parents are killing him like just taking to the these kind of classes. But when
Okay.
he told me I am taking the class, even I shocked.
Oh,
It's
okay.
in Hyderabad event. It's happened on Power Platform. He was ninth or eighth standard. That's it.
Oh, so JavaScript will, learning JavaScript will help to enhance further.
In next level now it's not required. Just the integration part, right, Indra?
Ah, okay,
Yes,
okay,
Mahesh. So,
Yeah.
Karthik, I would request you to go through the recording of first session. All these doubts you will get answered there.
okay.
What you
Thanks.
have to learn.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Now, subject is easy, right? When it's going old, man, people manpower are increasing. Maybe that is a difficult. At that time, you have to be upskill continuously. Not
Okay.
only in Power Platform, either Power BI. You can see Power BI around 2 years back. Maybe you're a student, you got a job easily. But now they are expecting a data factory, data bricks, or else PySpark in some cases, and Fabric is mandatory now, right? And Power Apps and Automate also they are expecting from Power BI people,
Okay. Thanks.
right? Yeah.
And Mahesh, I guess Power BI is a prerequisite for this. Like
Sorry,
you
Power
need to
BI.
have Power BI knowledge.
No, we are
Power
teaching
BI is a
anyway. We are
prerequisite
teaching
for
a
this.
Power BI
Like you
also.
need. Okay.
First 10 to 12, 15
Like
lectures
because
only
I
Power
don't have
BI.
any knowledge.
Yeah, no need. We will
Okay.
teach from very scratch. We will think like you just hear the name Power Platform or Power BI. If anyone know, like a Karthik kind of people will get irritated for first 1 week because they know Power BI already, right? But you guys will teach from very scratch.
But you are suggesting
Sorry?
like after a few more years, this course will be like I
Not
will
only
be
this
like
course,
it's
any
a
course,
saturation point.
any course.
Any,
Is anyone using C still now? R, there is a language called R is there long back. Is anyone using now?
yeah,
So you not only this one, any technology
or
will
no one
change
is
frequently. Now most of the people focusing on Python, right? Compared to other languages.
yeah Python.
Generalize. Like any technology will come and go. If any new updated topic come to the picture, we will use those one. So, but Power Platform is just young, like hardly 4 or 5 years old it is. So now only very less people manpower is there in the market. So it's a good opportunity to survive with an IT with a low coding, almost no coding. Even data analysts need a little bit of SQL, but here SQL also not required. And moreover, have more opportunities and less manpower. Data analytics have some competition, but here there is no competition. Right? Yeah. Any question?
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Hi. Hi.
Sir, ఇది nothing but Power Platform using which technology, mainly used in the Microsoft
Yeah,
Power
it's
Platform.
completely Power Platform itself, Microsoft own product. Out of that, subtopics like a Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio. So every tool will use for a different purpose. Maybe these topics also covered in yesterday's session as well. So we will cover that today.
SharePoint also, sir. SharePoint.
SharePoint, Dynamic 365, Microsoft products, but our work will be to integrate with that. We are not becoming a SharePoint developer or Dynamic 365 expert, but the integrations part will be there.
Okay.
We are going to be create an application. We are going to be do some works automation.
Okay.
Example, there is are you working currently, Vali?
Yes, yes. I know, but I know that Power BI, SQL, MS.
Okay. May I know your domain, like which kind of company you are working currently, like the client, I'm saying, the product, their product, hospital or something, example, I'm saying.
Uh,
Sc- ma-
Transportation, message.
Transportation, yeah. So if example, transportation, we need an application for internally to check it where the product is now. Your internal team want to check it with that. So we can create an application for your internal company, for a transportation company by using Power Apps,
Okay.
where the product is now and how long it will take to reach there and who are running that cab now, that vehicle or something. So all these internal are also to whom we need to assign this one internal application, not like who can use in an app store or something internally. Example, we are running in a transport business and have a lot much manpower, lot many vehicles and lot many drivers and helpers, right? And which
Yes.
consignment to where, which location it's going, who is driver and who assigned for that one. All these things we can able to create by using Power Apps very easily. Or else internal like our HR system, or else even our class trainers, we have around 12 plus trainers. So which trainer, which session is taking and how many days he attending the classes, how many sessions he taken a leave by mistake or else by due to the some his issues, how much attendance percentage he had, all these kind of things we can able to track with the Power Apps. And later we can integrate with the Power BI and we'll take the dashboard. Example, Indra is there. Out of 90 lectures, how many sessions may he taken off, 1 or 2 days or 3 days? And your percentage out of 40 people, how many people are average attendance per day? If it's reducing, what reason?
Okay.
We will validate later. We will integrate with the Power BI. Application will track first how much attendance of the people and how much time they are spending.
Okay.
Even hours also it will calculate, like Wali, how many hours he saw the class.
Okay.
And after that, we will try to understand what reason, like why suddenly people are dropping from today's session. Like example, any weekend or else any festival time.
Okay.
If when we felt like maybe they are reducing, we will try to interact with the students and understand like what exactly problem, like you are understanding or not, anything.
Okay.
These we can able to do with the Power Apps applications.
Okay.
Last time one student, she posted in LinkedIn also, she made a very beautiful application for hospital management,
Okay. Okay.
right? Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday's class there in YouTube and on our website also you can able to see. Let me share my screen. I will guide you how to check it.
Okay. Okay. I will check it.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yesterday's session, someone is posted, so I'm just explaining them. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So here, if you are first time, right, you have to be sign up. You already have account, just log in it.
Okay.
Under upcoming sessions, this is our free session. First 5 lectures you can able to see here. Enroll now, because let me log in with my email ID. Malli, do. You can see it's a similar, like you can see the join button, Microsoft Power Platform, right? So let me see where the session, yeah. Click on class records. You can see yesterday's session record here and today's join now button and Monday's class not yet started. Once it started, you can able to similar like a join now button. And once live is completed, hardly half an hour to 1 hour, you can able to see the view recording button. Here, yesterday's session there. And any material or content, we are going to be make it here. The PPTs or else any PDF files or else interview questions related PDF files and all, we will upload here. Okay.
So anybody can log in here or only the credential from KSR can
No,
log
no,
in?
no, no. Free account, anyone can create.
Okay.
Anyone, like just you can use your Gmail ID and sign up and you
Okay.
can log into the free sessions.
Okay.
KSR credentials only for Power Apps, Power BI, not for this app.
Okay. Okay. This is only for the free session, right?
Paid session also you can use, but after payment, like I will show you that one also. Go to the Explore courses, or else you can connect with my team and they will give that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
First of all,
Here,
myself.
here it will be there.
Okay.
So you have to be pay like by using your any phone pay, Google Pay.
Okay.
So installments it will show like this.
Mhm.
PayPal from US also if you want any other.
Got it.
Okay, all these you can able to. Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Yeah. So first of all, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. Yesterday I couldn't join due to some hospital work.
Oh, okay.
Today I'm joining.
Mhm.
So the thing is like currently I'm looking for a job. I was working in a Dell as a contractor, Interpower platform.
Okay,
So currently I'm looking for a job.
okay.
So the thing is like I'm not so good at technically. I was from non-tech side and I moved to technical side. I'm not so good at technical side. To be honest, wherever I was working, I was getting a lot of escalations, okay, on me.
Mm-hmm.
So I just wanted to learn properly and get into job.
Sure.
Now I'm searching for a job. Meanwhile, I also wanted to
Yes.
learn
Better.
parallel.
You can do that one, and also if required, you want to make it little fast. Example, I'm saying. So
Yeah.
I will assign you the old batch as well. So
Okay.
you can able to understand, but you have to be spend proper time because you are escalating in the sense somewhere your lack of proper skill might be. I'm just assuming.
Correct.
So just to focus on the classes, like even though it's known topic as well, you just go with that because of their examples, their what Indra will do, what are the issues he faced in his real time, he will try to explain in the class. Sometimes some people think he was killing time, but all the reason he was trying to explain those old issues.
Okay.
So when you are understanding all these concepts, it will help you to in real time to survive.
Right.
And for survival, not only technical skills, to management skills also we need to be learn
Mm-hmm.
because
So
every
if
concept is
I
a technical.
join here, I want to learn from the scratch.
Yes, yes. We will teach from very scratch.
Yeah.
Most of the topics maybe we will feel it's known because already we were working on Power Platform, right? Some topics you feel maybe I know, but still you can just continue as a fresher, completely with the blank mind, so you
Yeah.
can able to get a better opportunities.
Sure.
And
Okay.
our course curriculum also designed not to just to get a job, to
Mm.
survive in the industry, like a
Correct.
3 to 4 years experience profile.
Got it. That's what I
Just to
also.
crack an interview by hearting 100 interview questions, maybe we can crack interview.
Yeah, now I made my mind like I'm a fresher. I want to start
Yes,
from scratch.
yes, yes. But,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, Indra, maybe you can proceed then.
Yeah, thank you, Mahesh.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm leaving now. Yeah, you can carry on.
Cool. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Sorry, good morning, everyone. Good evening to US people.
Good morning, Indra.
Anyone here from US?
I am from Canada.
Okay. Might be evening there, right?
Yeah, it's 10:52 p.m. here.
Yeah, okay. Good. So cool, guys. The people who are having this as the first class. So I am Indrajit Singh. So if you want to know more about me, go ahead, watch the first recording. You will be getting to know more about me, Power Platform. Okay. So I know you will be having lots of questions. So what I will do, I'll go ahead and start with the content and I'll try to finish it as these are first few classes, okay? And these are very, I would say today's class is very basic in nature and you will get idea also like how we will start. So every module we are going to start with very basic thing that is product walkthrough and how it looks like. I think someone was having concern like we are very new to the stuff like how we will learn and all. So from the product walkthrough to the advanced topic, we will increase the level. Okay. So Arjun and Vijay Lakshmi, I can see both of you are unmuted. Do you have something to discuss?
Not really, Indra. I wanted to just tell you yesterday's session I already watched, so I'm ready for the today's session.
Cool. That's good. That is the spirit which is required. Cool. So I hope guys you are able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Cool. So guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. So this is the second free preview session of our platform course. So what we will do today is we will obviously start with our first module, which is Power BI. So today we will be discussing about introduction to Power BI, and then I will be giving you the product walkthrough. So every module which we will start, it will start with product walkthrough. So the main idea or intention of this activity is to make you guys familiar with the product. So like might be some of you are new to Power BI, most of you are new to Power Apps, Power Platform, right? So in that case, like how this activity will help you? This activity will help you like to get familiarized with the product, like how to navigate, what will happen, like if you will do a particular stuff. If in the session, if I'm going ahead and I'm giving you a requirement to implement, so then you will be able to relate. Okay, we have to go to that place and then from there we have to implement. Okay. So now, first of all, what is Power BI? Who would like to summarize now? You already know what is Power BI. We discussed yesterday, right?
So Power BI is a tool where we can analyze the things. Basically, we can use it for an analytical purpose and create a visualization dashboard.
So this is nothing what? First of all, it is part of Power Platform, right? And it is the solution for data visualizations and analysis, right?
Yes.
So with the help of Power BI, you will be able to create reports and get insights from your raw data. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, for Power BI, you have two things. So first thing will be like the development of Power BI. So development will be done in Power BI desktop, right? And then obviously after developing the report, you will be hosting it somewhere, right? So where you will be hosting it? You will be hosting it in cloud, obviously, and that cloud service is called as
Power BI.
Power BI service. Okay. For next few sessions, almost I would say 8 to 10 sessions, we will work on Power BI desktop only because our main part will be report development. So once it is done, we will go ahead and for 4 to 5 sessions, we will discuss about all the features in service. Okay. So now let us go ahead and let us see how to install Power BI desktop. All of you have installed in your system Power BI desktop?
Yes, I have.
You have,
Yes.
right?
No, I have not installed.
Not actually.
No.
No worries. I'll show you how to install. So again, Power BI desktop is nothing what it as name says. It is a desktop application. Okay. With the help of which you will be able to create Power BI reports. So now let me show you how to install this. You can simply go to your Google search. You can say Power BI desktop. Okay. It will give you the first link www.microsoft.com. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop. So guys, just one thing, make sure like be mindful of your mics. Please be on mute if you don't have any question, because the background noise that will come from your end, it will go to everyone and might be someone is using headphone or like it will impact the experience basically in short. Okay. So if you will, you can select the language and click on download. You can select this thing into 64.executable because most of us will be using 64-bit system. So you can use this. If you're using some old system, go ahead and use this. But you can select this, click on download. It will download a executable file for you. And then like the normal installation, once it is downloaded, you can click on next, agree and done. Okay, so then after installation is done, you will be able to see Power BI desktop app here. Clear guys how to install?
Indra, I am using Mac. So for the Mac also same thing.
No, so basically the downside is Power BI desktop cannot be installed in Mac.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even I was having Mac, so but for these classes itself, I have to take one more Windows laptop.
Okay.
So that is the issue. You can do like you can create, I would say, Windows clone in your Mac and then do that. But I did not did that because I don't want to degrade the performance of Mac or something. So it is on you.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah. Only this Power BI desktop will not work in Mac, and I hope this Power BI Power Automate desktop will also not work. Other than that, all this Power Apps, Power Automate, those are nothing but those are cloud services, and those will work in browser itself. So you have to manage for this Power BI development somehow.
Got it, got it. I'll do that.
Cool. Guys, clear how to install? Can I get a quick yes?
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
Yes.
And guys, like one thing I want to make very clear, like while like I'm delivering the session, so I will be needing continuous acknowledgement from you, like whether you guys are getting it or not. Because again, the idea is like I'm doing this for you, right? So if you are up to the speed with me, so then that's fine. Because I don't want to come deliver the session like a lecture and then go back, right? So I don't want to do that. This is for you. If you are facing any issue, if you're not getting it, just ask me to repeat, ask me the doubt that you are having, ask me the disconnect where you are not getting it, we will solve it together. Okay. Cool. So now next thing is like how this Power BI desktop looks like. So guys, this is how it will look like. Okay. So as of now, there is nothing in a report, right? So to create a report, what will be the first step, guys?
Data.
Data is the, I would say, soul of it, right? If data is not there, on which you will create the report, right? So data is the prerequisite. So how to get the data? How to load the data into Power BI? With the help of Get Data in Home tab. You can go to the Home tab, click on Get Data. So these are all the data sources which are supported by Power BI. These are the few frequently used one. Once you click on more, so you will be able to see the entire list of data sources which are supported by your Power BI desktop. These are the file data sources. These are the databases which are supported where you can directly connect with. Then you have Microsoft Fabric integrations. You have Power Platform stuff. You have Azure. You have online service. You have other. So now guys, I have very basic question for you. Can someone tell me in Power Platform what is common data service and what is Dataverse? We discussed it yesterday, right?
Dataverse is basically which we use for a model-driven app. It is table.
You said that Dataverse is only common data services, like it was the old name which was used
Very
for
good.
Dataverse.
Very good. And it is mentioned here, right? Legacy. So now, what is the need of keeping two names? Let's discuss the technology.
No idea.
Some
Sorry?
applications maybe in still continue. That's the reason they mentioned.
Yes. So guys, like this is, I would say this is the best practice of software world, whatever changes you are making, it should be backward compatible, right? Have you ever listened this word, backward compatible?
No.
Yeah. So no worries. I'll explain what is backward compatible. Backward compatible is nothing. Like suppose you are doing some changes. So it should not break the existing implementation that people have. So might be there are so many implementation which is already done when it was common data service. So now if you will go ahead and change the implementation of change the implementation of common data service as a dataverse, so then you should make sure like the reports which are already running on that, they should not break. Okay. Because if you're deleting everything for common data service and creating this dataverse, so then all the reports, there will be hundred thousands of reports which are running daily, right? In organization. So then they have to create all those reports again, or they have to resolve the errors, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So that's why you have this thing. So I will keep on sharing all these insights with you. Like these are very, I would say, for me, it is very interesting. Cool. So these are all the data sources which are supported by Power BI. So now here you will be able to see again the data sources which are frequently used: Excel, OneLake, catalog. So guys, you were listening this buzzword around you, right? Fabric, 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 right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for Fabric, like for Power Platform, the data storage solution is Dataverse, right? So for Fabric, it is OneLake. It is OneLake for Fabric. So then SQL Server, enter data. If you want to create some manual table here, Dataverse, and here you will be able to see the recent sources. Then you have transform data. I'll come to this in a while. So then from here, you can create new visual text box. If you click on more visual, so then from AppSource, you can get the visuals. You can create your own custom visuals. So AppSource is what? So these are some visualizations which are available out of the box. So now suppose you want to use any other visualization. So then just try to relate it with your mobile phones. When you will buy a mobile phone, a stock mobile phone, so then you will be having some apps there, right? Right,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah.
Like calendar is there, phone is there, message is there, and there are so many others. So now suppose you want to install Instagram, then what you will do?
We'll go to Play Store and just download the app.
You will go to Play Store and download the app. Simple, right? So similarly, if you want to have any other visual other than these three, so you can either click on three dots, get more visual, or you can click on more visuals from my app source. So click on three dots, get more visual. Okay, I have to log in. Just let me log in first. You will also be getting similar account, guys. I have to write the entire thing again. Here it will change to Indrajit Singh. Yeah, I'm logged in now. Look, so these are all the visuals which are available in your app source, which is nothing but similar to your Play Store or App Store in your mobile phones. Okay. So there are so many visuals created by various organizations. So if you feel you need something from here, you can go ahead, add it, install it, and then you'll be able to use it in your reports. Clear?
So this is the paid account, right?
No, you
I
will
mean
be able to
premium.
see all these visuals in your normal Power BI desktop also.
Okay.
Just provided you should have login.
Okay.
For this, you don't need license. Bottom line is, for this, you don't need license, only account. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Cool. So as of now, I explained you home tab and I explained you about this thing. So this Copilot is nothing but this is the helping engine. Like you can go ahead, select the workspace where you want to connect it with, and then you can ask your question in natural language. It will give you the answers. Okay. So now next thing is insert tab. So in insert tab, again, like this Power BI is a place where you can do one thing from multiple places. Okay. So here also you have the similar options again, new visuals, more visuals. These are some AI visuals, key influencers, decomposition tree, narratives. Then you have Power Platform integrations, paginated reports, Power App integration, Power Automate integration. Then what you can do, you can add elements like buttons, shapes. If you want to write any image from your system to Power BI, you can do that. Then in modeling, you will be able to see like relationships, measures, columns, tables. Then you have date table, parameters. So I'm just walking you through what are the things. So all these things we will be covering in the course. How to create measure, how to create column, how to create a calculator table using DAX, what is the role of security, how to work with parameters. Okay. So then you have view section. So in view section, you will be having filters, bookmarks, selections, performance analyzers, sync slicers. So all these things we will be covering. Okay. So then you have optimize. In optimize, you have refresh visual, performance analyzer, apply all slicer button and all. So if you click on help, you will be able to see all the documentation related to your Power BI. If you want to see which version of Power BI desktop you're using, just click on about. So you will be able to see here. So I'm using March 2025 release. Okay. So this is how the menu work. I think someone was raising hand. Yes, who was that? Prasad, do you have anything?
Yeah, Indrajit, yeah, Chiru here.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, when you said like Microsoft Fabric, is it like a different tool or is it included in that like Power Platform or something? We need to
Microsoft
learn
Fabric
some.
is totally different tech stack for data engineers and data analysts.
Okay, is it related to database something kind of thing? Like, is it like Power BI?
I'll tell you what is Microsoft Fabric, but in the doubt session. Okay, so guys, when we are discussing the topic, if you have any doubt related to the topic, ask that. If you have anything else, ask in the doubt session because it breaks the flow of all of us, right?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah, fine. Cool. So here these are all the options available. So now next thing is here you will be able to see three things. One thing is filter, where you can apply filter on the page level filter, report level filter, visual level filter, visualization. I have already shown you how it looks like. In data, you will be able to see all the data which you have loaded in your Power BI report. So now after this, in the below section, you will be able to see all the pages which are available in your Power BI report. And here you will be able to see four tabs. One is report view, another one is table view, another one is model view, and you have DAX editor. So this is the report view where you will be able to see the actual visualizations. Like if I create a pie chart, you will be able to see the pie chart here. So this is the table view. In table view, you will be able to see the raw data. Okay. Let me go ahead and try to open a report so that you are able to relate it better. Okay, this is some test thing that I have. So here you will be able to see the raw data. Okay. So in my data, I have only two columns. So you will be able to see the raw data here. So now here you will be able to see the relationship. Like if you have multiple tables, how they are connected. So you will be able to see the relationships here. Then in DAX query, it is nothing but if you want to evaluate or if you want to run any DAX formula. So you can write your DAX, you will be able to get the result here. Okay.
Yeah, which area we can write the DAX, sir?
It is here.
It is
Fourth.
here. Okay, okay.
Yeah, might be like if you are already a Power BI developer, if you're not getting this option, so you go ahead, update your Power BI version, it will be added.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Cool. So this is how the Power BI will look like. So now obviously Power BI is a analysis tool, right? So you will be loading the data. So before loading the data, you might be doing some transformations also, right? ETL process. So Power BI supports ETL out of the box. So if you don't know about ETL, that is fine. I will explain what is ETL. So ETL is nothing, guys. It stands for ETL. Anyone can give me the full form? ETL? England? TL.
Extract, transform, load.
Extract, transform, load, right? Come on. ETL. E stands for extract. T stands for transform and load. So extract is nothing. Like suppose your data is sitting in this database. So you are trying to connect with Power BI or anything, right? So what you will do, first of all, you will be extracting the data from here, right? Then this is the extraction process. After that, you will be transforming it. So transforming means like in your reporting, suppose you want only in your data set, you have 100 columns and for your reporting, you want only 20. So what you will do? You will remove 80 columns, right? And might be for these 20, you might want to change some data types or you might want to replace some values. So you will perform all those things. So all these steps of changing the data, this will come under transformation, okay, or the transform step. So once the transformation is done, you will load the data into Power BI engine. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, as we are on this, so guys, when you will create a document in Word, so what will be the extension for that?
Doc.
Docs, right?
Yes.
So similarly, when you will create any Power BI report, when you will save it in the system, the extension will be .pbix.
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you in the folder. I might be having few Power BI reports with me. Yeah, when I open from there also I can show you. Open, look, test.pbx, right? Now, next thing is to see the transformation. How transformation can be done? So guys, transformation, when you will load the data, there itself it will ask you like if you want to directly load or transform. So if you don't want to do transformation there, you can do again from here. Click on transform data, click on transform data. It will give you to the Power Query Editor window. So this is nothing what this is the UI for transformation. So I'll walk you through here also like what are the various options which are available. Like suppose here you want to get the data again for some other data sources. So you can go ahead, get the data from here also. Enter data is nothing but if you want to create some hard coded table or manual table here, you can create. Then data source setting is nothing but if you want to go ahead, change the credentials of your data source, you can change from here. Okay, then you have parameters, then refresh preview, properties, advanced editor. So advanced editor is nothing, guys. Whatever you transformation you will perform in advanced editor, you will be able to see that script, auto-generated script. You don't have to worry anything. Whatever you will do here, it will get applied. and it will be available in the applied steps. Like what I did, I get the data from source, navigated, promoted header, changes data type, then I added a conditional column. Okay. So here you can perform operation using column. You can remove column. You can keep rows, remove rows. You can split column. You can perform group by operation. You can change data type. You can use first row as header. You can replace value. You can perform merge queries, append queries, text analytics, vision, Azure machine learning. And if you click on the right click here, so here you will be able to see all the column specific operation. So most of the operations can be done from here also, and it can be done directly from here. If you want to remove column, if you want to keep this column and remove all other columns, duplicate column, remove duplicates, remove errors, change type, transform the column, lowercase, uppercase and all. If you want to replace few values, replace errors, split column, group by, fill, pivot, unpivot, rename, move, drill down, and add as a new query. So all these operations are available. So now if you click on transform, similar operations will be available here also, like group by, first row as header, transpose, reverse, count, data type, rename, replace, fill, pivot, unpivot, move, convert to list, split, format, extract, parse. Okay. So this is again just a walkthrough class today. So don't get confused. Okay, what replace will do and all these things we will be seeing step by step. Okay, so here in add column, you can create various column like custom column, invoke custom column, conditional column, index column. You can create duplicate column. Again, the same thing, extraction and all. Then you can perform some extra, what to say, computations here with some stat formulas, standard calculation, scientific trigonometry and all. Then you can integrate text analytics, vision, Azure machine learning. Okay. So then in view, you will be able to see here, like you are able to see these bars and all, right? So you can turn it on and off from here. Look, it is going. Column distribution is also good. So you can turn all these things from here, from the view. Okay. Again, you have advanced editor option here, which was available in home section. So in tools, you will be able to see, like if you want to see which part is taking a lot of time, you can use this diagnostic to check like why your report is slow. In help again, same thing. So now, like you have seen so many things like run R script, Python script and all. So now you might be wondering like why it is there, right? So why it is there? So you know, like there are multiple job roles in the market, right? Data engineers, data scientist, data analyst, right?
Yeah.
So they will be doing lot of research. They will be doing on the data, like they will be doing the predictive analysis. They will be doing lot of algorithm thing, right? So at the end of the day, they have to show it to people with some front end, right? They will not say, okay, this is the data. Okay, go ahead and see it, right? That thing is not going to happen. So it should be some visual representation, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So this Power BI is the solution available for them as a front end. So Power BI is used by data analysts also, Power Platform developers also, data engineers also, and data scientists also. So that's why you are able to see R, Python, and some AI related capabilities also. Okay. Able to relate, guys?
Yeah.
So this is how it will be available in Power Query Editor window. So I hope you are able to relate. So now when I will start tomorrow with the data loading, we will start with the first project tomorrow in Power BI, and with that project we will cover everything which is available in Power BI. Okay, and there will be almost 15 session for Power BI. So we are starting on Monday. Like first session was today, so 14 more session. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 10 and 14 might be here. 7, we will be starting with the Canvas app again. So that is it for the day, guys. This is what I had planned, like introduction to Power BI and product walkthrough. Now, tomorrow we will go ahead. I will introduce you with the data set and then we will go ahead and start with the report building. So now, whatever doubts you have, take this opportunity to ask. Any doubts that you have? The floor is all yours.
Hello. So for this Power Platform, so how much Power BI we needed? Means do we need to learn extra Power BI, or maybe do we need to join any other class for Power BI to
Kiran,
get?
look, you don't, it is for all of you. You don't have to have any prerequisite knowledge about anything. Whatever is required, I'll provide you that. You can
Okay.
trust me on that. Okay. And the only prerequisite that you need is your laptop or phone from where you will be attending the class and a sound internet connection. That is it.
Okay, so the whatever you will provide in this Power Platform, so that is enough for this course.
That is not enough. That will be more than enough.
Okay, yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because I myself is working as a Power Platform developer from last almost now 6.5 years. So I have tasted the flavor of every product in the Power Platform, right away from Copilot to the oldest product, Power BI. So whatever I have faced, whatever we have used in our projects, so I have added all the topics as well as I have added the extra topics also, which are added in the Power Platform newly, like deployment pipelines.
Okay.
Yeah. Who else?
Yeah, I have a doubt. For an instance, let's assume that data is stored in an Excel file and we are connecting it with Power
Prasad,
BI
Prasad,
application.
be little louder.
Okay. For an instance, the data is present in an Excel file. In that column, there are alphanumerical values, and also in some of the cells, the values are like this, where A, B, C, D, where B is small and A, C, D is capital in the Excel file. When we connect to Power BI and import the data into Power BI, how to maintain the data in the same way. Generally, what happens is it automatically converts all the letters into uppercase. Instead, it
No,
has
no,
to maintain how it is.
it does not happen automatically, Prasad. Like if you're not applying any kind of transformation, it will not force any transformations.
Okay, actually, it happened. Then I had to
Might be
do it.
some understanding gap. No worries, Prasad. Like on Monday, we will be doing this stuff only. You can
Okay.
verify there, like if it is happening automatically or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to cover COE starter kit also in this?
COE again, Vishnu, like it is not required for Power Platform developer. COE is kind of admin thing where you will be able to setting up the tenants and then getting all the things up and running for the developers.
Yeah, Indrajit, but in my project there is a requirement for COE starter kit and pipeline configuration and those things
Pipeline
required.
and all I will be covering. COE again, like that is not aligned with the Power Platform role. So whatever is aligned, I will be covering that.
Okay, attended, unattended automation. Those.
Those I will be covering because those are the part of Power Platform.
Okay. Instead of starting Power BI, is there any plan to start Power Apps and Power Automate in plan? So those are primarily we are required. So project is going up for me like.
So plan is so look, plan is first module is Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, and boom.
Okay. If it is feasible, half
Fabric
an hour
also,
or 1 hour,
you go Fabric also, right?
a COE starter kit will be added advantage. So
I can give you again, like I can give you insights on that, but adding something which is not relevant to all, I think that does not make sense because you will already have lot of things to do. Might be now you are just joining and you are thinking, okay, let's grab this thing also, let's grab Dynamics also, COE also, Azure Functions also, and there are a number of things in the market that you can get. Okay, but what my intention is, you should be master of the things which you know rather than jack of all. But
okay.
if you are getting all those stuff, I can guide you. That is fine. I'm already doing all the stuff, all these things. Like I'm guiding people if they want to learn something new, if they're facing some issues in their jobs, like like if they're having multiple offers, I'm letting them know, okay, what they can do, how they can decide. So all those things I'm already doing. So that is like no-brainer thing for me.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
In this, you will go over also the Microsoft Fabric or just wanted to Fabric also
Yeah,
go.
so Fabric is all different tech stack altogether. Like this Power Platform is for low code, no code developers, right? So Fabric is nothing what Microsoft has introduced a tech stack to help data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists to collaborate together better in better way, right? So they have added some products there like Power Platform. No, sorry, like Power BI, like Azure and Synapse Analytics. Then you have Azure Data Factory. So all these product became the Fabric. Okay, so here Fabric will not be covered because that is different tech stack. If you're interested in Fabric, learning Fabric, so you can go ahead and get enrolled in another course. We have dedicated course for Fabric. This is for Power Platform.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah, after completing of this course, like we can able to crack the certification, right?
Sorry. Come again. After completing the course?
The certification part. If you have certification, it
Yes,
will be.
certification, you can go ahead. First certification that you should go ahead with will be the PL 900.
Yeah.
So, what is the duration for certification course?
By duration, what do you mean, Vijay?
Like after completing this course, so if we take the certification course, so is there any particular time we have to complete?
No, you don't have to take any separate certification course.
Okay.
This is more than enough for any kind of certification. PL 900 is the basic fundamental certification that you should go ahead first. Once you have PL 900, then you can go ahead on the basis of your interest. PL 400, 200, 300. So after clearing all those certification, you can go for PL 600, that is architect.
Okay. It is basically like an exam we are writing to get the
Yeah,
certificate.
Microsoft certification, correct.
Noted.
If for a starting one, which certificate will be like you suggest, like just
PL 900, PL 900.
PL 900. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, our course will cover as architect level or fundamental level.
No, it is architect level, Karthik.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, guys, any other doubts?
Yes, sir. I had one doubt. In the
Mhm.
class, you mentioned there is some data flows and data flows legacy. What is the difference between these two?
Data flows?
And data flows legacy.
Data flows and data flows legacy. It was Dataverse and common data service.
After that, there is a inside the bracket, there is a legacy. What it means, or which scenarios we can using that. that
Okay.
one.
So Sai might be there is some disconnect. So guys, anyone in the class would like to explain what is Dataverse and Common Data Service Legacy?
Both are same only. The Dataverse is the latest one, and Data Legacy is the old one.
Very good. Anyone else?
So CDM is a comparison of the previous version, and the data versus a newer version.
Yes.
And whenever we move to the newer version, the older version should be there so that we can compare both.
Yeah, correct. Got it. Who was that? Who asked the question?
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, whenever I'm giving you opportunity to answer a question or doubt, use that opportunity to rectify your answer, I would say, answer framing skill. Okay.
Yeah, Indrajit, like after this, like how can we like Power Platform developer? We can put a Power Platform admin. We can put on to search a job.
You should go ahead for Power Platform, senior developer, consultant, architect, all those things. Because admin will be more side working on COE and admin center. Okay. So, but I want you to go ahead and put it as an architect or senior consultant type of stuff. If you are experienced professional, if you are just trying to do the pivoting, 1-2 years of experience, so then obviously you will be going for junior developer or developer. Okay.
We don't require any like apart from the Power BI desktop, we don't require any software to install in our laptop, right? For this course or anything.
Power BI desktop and Power Automate desktop. Only two.
Yeah, okay,
Power
fine.
Automate desktop, it comes out of the box with the new laptops now. You don't have to install. It seems, Chiranjeevi, one more class is going on at your end. Or some meeting.
Yeah, yes. For my wife.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Guys, anything you can ask me, anything related to your career, related to your Power Platform stuff, related to, sir, okay, this is my CTC, what I will be getting and all. If you don't want to do that thing, or what to say, publicly in the class, you can put it in the chat box, Zoom chat. I'll not take out the numbers, but I can explain in percentage wise what you can expect and all. All clear?
I have one last doubt.
Yeah.
Example, if there is a very small organization just with 50 employees, and they have created a dashboard and want to share it with their clients, and there are multiple clients, and maybe per client, we assume that there will be 10 members seeing the dashboard daily. So which type of license would be suitable to that small organization to take?
Again, like Parsar, like license does not depend on organization size. It depends on the functionalities that you are using in your Power BI report. Okay. So
Okay.
you have 3 license available. One is free license, then pro license, then premium license. So free is the trial license that will be available. with the trial functionalities. Okay. Then you have the minimum license, which is available to access the report is the pro license. Then in premium license, you will be getting some additional features that you will be getting to know in the course. Okay. So it depends
Yeah.
like which features you are using. On top of that, you will be acquiring the license, not on the size of the organization.
Okay, if you're taking premium license, every user must be having the premium license who wants to
They
access
should
the
have at
dashboard.
least pro license to access the reports. Minimum
Okay,
pro.
the minimum pro is enough to access the premium
Yeah,
content.
correct.
Okay, that's good. Even though the workspace is premium workspace.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Vijayalakshmi, like here, everything will be covered from scratch. Like you can take the example of today's session itself, right? I have started with very scratch. So you will be getting that confidence to face the interview. So just one thing I will be requiring from each one of you. So you have to attend all the sessions live, practice the class after the session. Then the projects that I'm building, I want a lot of you to go ahead and complete that. I want more turnaround. Okay. So then nothing can stop you. Hi, Indra, can you stop the recording? Okay. Kumar, even if I stop the recording, it is streaming to YouTube. So that will not help. If you have something, you can put it in the chat. It will be not visible to anyone. It will be only visible to me.
If I unmute, you'll be able to recognize me, Indra.
Sorry, Kumar, your voice is low. What you're saying?
If I unmute, if I unmute myself, you'll be able to recognize me.
If you unmute yourself,
You will be able to recognize me, my voice, maybe.
okay. I'm not able to recognize. Who are you?
Anjan,
You are saying if I'm if you are unmuting yourself, I will be able to recognize you.
yeah, through voice, maybe.
No, I'm not able to recognize. Who are you?
I'm Anjani Kumar.
Anjali. Oh, Anjani, right?
Anjani, yeah.
Okay. So, Anjani, what is the status? You are appearing for interviews, right?
To be honest, I got only one call as of now, Indra. Yesterday I have attended. Technically, I'm very strong. So,
Okay, so you are
they will let me
enrolling
know.
again?
See, the last time I missed the Power BI because I
Okay,
had a knee
okay.
surgery.
Got it,
I had a
got
knee
it.
surgery. Yeah, so completely bedridden for 3 months. Uh, so I missed the Power BI classes. But yesterday, I think I had one interview regarding the Power Platform developer, and
Okay.
um, I have answered very good all the technical stuff. But apart from the technical stuff, there are around 15 to 20 management questions as well. So
Okay.
I'm not
I
sure
hope,
like
Anjani,
how
you
they
have
are going to do.
optimized your Naukri profile. Are you joining the
No,
session which Mahesh is taking for Power Platform for these placements?
no.
Just join that. You should not get only one call because as of now, like in the market, there is a lot
I'm
of
not in
demand.
India, Indra. I'm not in India.
Your voice is very low, bro.
I'm not in India. I'm in UK.
Oh, okay. That can be another issue because in India,
Yeah,
though, be like it is everyone is running behind Power Platform.
yeah. But technically, whatever the questions they have asked me, like I'm able to answer
You're able
90%
to
of them.
answer. That's good. It's good to know.
Is
So,
it
guys,
real that
Anjani is
there
my
is a
previous
case of
student. He has attended all the modules. So Power BI is pending for him. So he will be attending Power BI with you. Yes. Yeah, Prasad?
You are in
Uh,
nature
is
only.
this
You are
the
in
sign
US.
of scarcity that of jobs in UK or US or in Europe?
One by one, ask. Yeah, tell me what you are saying, Prasad.
Is this a sign of scarcity of jobs in UK and US and Europe, other part of
I
the
would
world?
not say scarcity of jobs in UK, US or something. Jobs are available, but it sometimes depends on profile. It sometimes depends on your luck also, right? So
Okay.
if I'll tell you, there was a student in my morning batch, Chaitanya. He got 4 offers. He's in US. He got around 120K, 140K, like that. There are few
Okay.
other instances where people got the job. But again, like I am also in Indian job market, right? So I can give you a fair idea about that. But it is not like that jobs are not available in US or something. It is, but might be opportunities are less as compared to India.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Mukesh is asking something about this thing. So Mukesh, you can easily expect more than 100% hike, I would say. Your experience is also 4 years. So if you negotiate properly, if you again hike and all is very far. So provided you are getting all the right skills, you are getting it implemented properly, you can easily get 100% hike minimum. Satyajit Patel. I had ABC of dash years of experience. Okay, so changing yeah, for you also it is good, Mahesh. Who is this? Satyajit, right? You can also expect double digit CTC.
Indra, one more question. What if we have a career gap and after completing this course, so what package we can expect and what kind of work we will be getting? We'll be getting a senior level or architect level?
It depends like how much experience you are claiming there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Since then, I have only 1 year of experience. After that, I have not known which question is, can I able to get the job with some add-on experience? Yeah, Sudhir, you can do that. I got a text from Vishnu. Look, okay, Vishnu is saying even if we are a Power Platform developer in the job market, if we are going for architecture role, people are expecting a COE starter kit and maintain the Power Platform admin center. Please add to one class. So this would be great help. So Vardhan, like I am also working as a solution architect in one of the MNC. Okay, and I have worked with multiple MNCs as a solution architect. So COE starter kit and admin center is different thing altogether. Those are admin things. As an architect, what your job responsibility is to create the solution end to end with the help of tech stack that you know. And anyway, like I'm not saying like we are not covering Power Platform Admin Center. We will cover Power Platform Admin Center, and that too end to end. Only COE we are not covering. I'll see if we can I can give you something around that. But again, that will be at the end because that is good to have, not the prerequisite. So Shri Harsha is asking Anjani, are you in UK right now?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone else? Anything? Cool. So can I take silence as no?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, Indra.
No, nothing is required. So their advanced Excel is not required. Yeah, so Apna, go ahead.
Next session will be on tomorrow or
Monday.
Monday.
Monday. It is Monday to Friday.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Tomorrow I want to wake up late. You can also do the same thing. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah, Anjani, I'll
Indra,
connect
you
with you.
can repeat.
Ping
Yeah,
me,
thank you.
ping me on the WhatsApp. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead. Take care. Bye bye. Have a happy weekend.
Yeah. You too have a happy weekend. Bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.